A credit card lets you pay for things without using cash, acting like a short-term loan with a set spending limit. People use credit cards for both big purchases, like furniture, and everyday expenses, such as groceries or dining out. It's important to pay back what you owe on time each month to avoid extra charges called interest. Credit cards often come with several types of fees for certain actions. These include late fees for missed payments, over-the-limit fees for spending more than your credit limit, annual fees for simply having the card, cash advance fees for withdrawing cash, and balance transfer fees for moving debt between cards. Understanding these fees can help you avoid extra costs when using a credit card. Banks may attract you with appealing offers, but these can hide extra costs and fees. To avoid unnecessary credit card fees, it's best to skip cash advances, pay your bills on time, using automatic payments if possible, choose cards without annual fees, keep the same card to avoid balance transfer fees, and stay within your credit limit. Being mindful of these tips can help you save money and manage your credit card wisely. Finding the right credit card can feel overwhelming, but it mainly depends on understanding the features each card offers. Many people get credit cards from well-known banks, while some stores also offer their own cards with special perks for shopping there. Store credit cards work like regular credit cards but often provide extra benefits for purchases made at that specific store. To apply for a credit card online, you simply fill out an application with your personal and financial details and wait for approval. If you apply for a credit card at a store, you might get instant approval and be able to use the card right away. You can also apply by calling the credit card company and providing your information over the phone. After learning about credit cards and applying for one, the next step is to wait for approval. If you're approved, you'll officially become a credit card owner. With your new card, it's important to use it responsibly to manage your finances well.